2004 Nissan 350z. We got something really special on this one. Got factory converter. He's gonna make it into a go-kart, believe it or not, guys. He's gonna strip it down. I told him bring it back. We need to check it out once he's done with that. But for now, it's got factory converters, Y's into a single, and then we went straight pipe, single 2-inch pipe all the way back. As you guys can see right there, all the way back, 2-inch. He wanted it to be as loud as possible. We're like, we got you. And there's the resonator and muffler that we took off. This massive thing right there, as you guys can see. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's sound decibel. 123, bro. So loud. 124. That's awesome. 2-inch pie.